My father gave me this old rusty axe head. I didn't really have a need for such a big axe, so I asked my dad if it had any sentimental value because I wanted to cut it down in size instead of restoring it. He said it didn't, and he gave me the green light to go ahead and cut it down. Now, I don't know much about axes, so this whole project's going to be a learning experience for me. I started off by grinding off some of the rust so I had a clear place to mark out the template for the new axe head. Now I'm going to use a grinding wheel, or a couple grinding wheels, to cut the axe head to shape. Now that I roughed out the axe head shape with the grinding wheel, I'll use the belt sander and some files to get it down to its exact shape. Now I'll grind the new bevels using the same exact tools, my belt sander and some files. Now I'm not sure if putting a secondary bevel on the axe head is the right thing to do, so I wouldn't recommend copying that, but it's the way I'm going to go about doing it. Now I couldn't find an axe handle that would fit the eye hole of the axe head, so I purchased one that was longer and then decided to cut it down. And then I'm going to use a strong joint to reconnect the bottom of the handle so I still have that good grip. The joint I'll be using to reattach the handle is kind of like an open-ended mortise and tenon joint. Now I'll glue up the handle and then let it sit overnight. With the glue up done, I'll grind the handle down as much as possible, making it as lightweight as I can. Now it's time to get the axe handle fit to the axe head. I sanded off all the factory finish, and I'll be using boiled linseed oil to do the new finish. After I drove in the metal wedge, I realized that I would have liked the wooden wedge to have been driven a lot deeper than it is. The axe head seems sturdy, but I wouldn't be surprised if I rehandle it within the next 6 months to a year. For the finish on the handle, I'll be applying 4 or 5 coats of boiled linseed oil. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. And if you'd like to see more content, make sure to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.